Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I always gifted this borosilicate glass container and it has a lid. It is 5 millimeters thick and it's really nice quality. Look how amazing this is. It is huge. This is 220 ounces and the lid is really nice. It has the little plastic around here. And so this is leak proof once it is on. And you have a handle, loving it. And as a little bonus, you get this nice little silicone mat for it as well. So just to demonstrate how big this is, I want to cut up some cabbage for you and show you everything that you can keep in here. So this is my cabbage. I got a gigantic one this time. It's like freakishly large. And so when I cook at home a lot and do meal prep, my complaint is always there is not enough space in a container to hold everything. And then you end up having so many containers of food just stacked one on top of each other in the refrigerator. And it starts to drive me a little bit crazy, especially if you're making something in a crock pot. It's like, where do you put everything? So this is great. It's extra large. And this container is also amazing because it is dishwasher safe. It is microwave safe. It is oven safe. And you can put it in the freezer and in the refrigerator. So here we go. All of my cabbage is all cut up. Look at that. Amazing. Now to put the lid on, and you have to push down a little bit because the seals have to grab on and close. Look at that. Amazing. So you have the 4 little tabs that are going to press into place to keep it on, and nothing is coming out of here. This is leak proof and just amazing. I can't say enough great things about this. I think you need it. The links are below. Definitely check it out.